Hello. The cnMaestro 5.2.4 release is now available. This release is packed with powerful new features designed to make your network faster, smarter, and easier to manage. It introduces integration with Starlink devices via the NSE. Additionally, it brings a consolidated out-of-sync view, device hostname bulk import exports, API support in cnMaestro X Cloud, and much more. Please note that features with an X next to them will only be available in cnMaestro X. In the event you would like to revisit a specific feature in this video, I have provided a list of the features and the time they appear in the video so that you can easily go back and review certain features at any time. cnMaestro now supports adding and monitoring of Starlink satellite internet devices directly from the dashboard. A key benefit of the Starlink integration with cnMaestro is that it can monitor multiple Starlinks at one site or across many sites, all in one console. This enables a single dashboard view of the entire Cambium plus Starlink network. To set up a Starlink WAN connection, open an existing NSE group or create a new NSE group. Go to the WAN page and enable the Starlink option. Configure the Starlink dish IP address and the dish port. Set the Starlink dish operating mode. Your options are bridge and router. If you select router mode, you will need to enter the Starlink gateway IP address and the API port. To monitor the Starlink WAN activity page, select your NSE in the network tree, then go to Network and Starlink. Starlink is treated as a recognized uplink type in cnMaestro. Information available includes device details such as hardware and software versions, uptime, and country. Alerts such as motor status, thermal shutdowns and throttles, heating, and Ethernet speeds are shown. Antenna alignment information includes alignment status, rotation and tilt recommendations, current and target rotation angles, and current and target tilt angles. Starlink WAN link performance can be monitored via graphical charts, which include throughput, latency, and drop rate of the satellite WAN links. Another benefit of the cnMaestro and Starlink integration is that you can reboot the Starlink dish directly from cnMaestro by clicking the Reboot Dish button. We've improved WAN monitoring on the NSE in this release. In addition to speed and throughput, you can now view charts for latency and packet loss to provide a clearer picture of your network's health. To view these new charts, select the NSE in the network tree and go to the Network WAN page. Scroll down to find the new widgets for latency and packet loss. Tired of hunting for devices that are out of sync with your network configuration? Select your site in the network tree. The site dashboard now has a new widget that shows you exactly how many devices are out of sync. Just click on it and you'll be taken to the Site, Devices, Configuration tab with the filter already applied so you can quickly see and sync all affected devices. When using the bulk edit configuration, you can now import and export a spreadsheet that includes a column for device host names. To edit device host names in bulk, select a site, go to Devices, Configuration, select the devices, Bulk Configuration, then select the AP group. Expand the Devices Overrides section. You should start by exporting a list of the devices in a CSV file format. Then edit the CSV file with the new device host names and import it into cnMaestro. We've added webhooks support to cnMaestro X Cloud, allowing you to send real-time alarm notifications to any third-party URL or application. This feature uses an HTTPS POST request to ensure security and timely delivery of alerts. To get started, you'll first need to configure a webhooks template. So navigate to Administration, Settings, Notifications, and then Webhooks Templates, and click Add New. Here, you can define the JSON payload format for your notifications. A default template is provided to get you started, and you can add more variables as needed. And the next step is to configure the notification. So navigate to Notifications and click Add New. Enable the notification option and set up the necessary parameters to specify which alerts you want cnMaestro to send to your webhooks URL. You can now rename ONUs in bulk after they've been onboarded. Simply upload a CSV file with the MAC address or serial numbers and their new names. To change the ONU names in bulk, select the pawn site in the network tree and go to the ONUs page. You should click the Rename button and then the Download CSV link to download a template of the file you can use for the new device name file format. Change the names in the CSV file and save it to your local system. Then browse out to your local hard drive and select the CSV file with the new device names and import it into cnMaestro. Okay, this concludes this video covering the newest features in cnMaestro 5.2.4. Thank you for your time and have a great day.